Today we bring you the second contest of the Greater Accra region, which features Accra Academy, St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School, and Odorgonno Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Close to me we have Accra Academy, and they are represented by
Jubilee Ukachukwu.
Thank you. And
Balani Philip.
next to them we have St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School, and they are represented by
Ajepo Suwa final year.
and
IT Richard final year.
thank you. Next to them is Odorgonno Senior High School, and they are also represented by
Akoli Sedem Philip final year.
and
Abe Samuel final year.
Samuel. Thank you very much. The Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. We acknowledge also the support of CHAS in preparing these brilliant students to participate in the competition. This is the Primetime production. I am Mrs. Richolano, your quiz mistress. Contestants, you have 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 is a round with general questions on physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations. Without calculations, you have 10 seconds. And you have 5 seconds within which you have to deliver bonus answer. Your major question is worth 3 points. For bonus, when answered rightly, 1 point, but when answered wrongly, penalty of 1. All the best to each school. I start with Accra Academy. Preamble to all schools. Name a natural source of air pollutants. So when I get to your school, you name one. Accra Academy. Yes.
We have the burning of vegetation, which releases smoke into the atmosphere. So
Come
burning
again.
Burning of vegetation, and this releases smoke into the atmosphere, and this is a form of air pollution.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Next, St. Thomas.
Fumes, which comes out from the exhaust of certain vehicles. So the smoke or fumes from vehicles.
No, I can't take that one. Odorgonno Senior High.
We have dust particles emanating from stone quarries.
Yes. You can as well have the pollen, mold spores, volcano, lighten, and voltaic organic compounds from plants. Preamble to all schools. Name the animal that results from crossing the given parents. Accra Academy. A female mottled-nosed dolphin and a male false killer whale. Yes.
Now,
That's incorrect. Bonus. So it's called a whole fin or whole fin. St. Thomas Aquinas, a zebra and a horse. Yes, keep on.
A mule.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Okay, it's called a zebroid. Odorgonno Senior High, a female lion and a male tiger. Yes.
We have it to be Liga.
No. Yes, Rang, go ahead. Accra Academy.
Tyglon.
Tygon. It's working. Preamble to all schools. Find the potential of a conducting sphere of radius r and a charge q, given that Accra Academy r is equal to 0.27 meters and q equals 36 picocoulomb. Go ahead.
1.2 volts.
Exactly. St. Thomas Aquinas, R is equal to 0.18 meters, and Q is equal to negative 24 picocoulombs. Go ahead.
Negative 1.2 volts.
Simple. Odorgonno Senior High, R is equal to 0.45 meters, and Q is equal to negative 16 picocoulomb.
We have it to be negative 3.2 volts.
That is incorrect, but you are disqualified, Accra Academy, for the bonus. Who else rang? Okay, so you wait for me to rule, okay? So the answer is 0.32 volts. Preamble to all schools. Find the magnitude of the resultant of the given system of concurrent forces, leaving your answer as a set where appropriate. Accra Academy, F1 equals, in brackets, the expression 3i plus 2j minus 5k, all in newtons, and F2 is equal to, in brackets, 5i plus 3j plus 4k, all in newtons. Yes, go ahead.
3√10 newtons.
Yes. St. Thomas Aquinas, F1 equals, in brackets, the expression negative 4i plus 2j minus 5k, all in newtons. And F2 equals, in brackets, the expression 3i minus 3j, all in newtons. Yes.
Root of 5 Newton.
That's incorrect. Yes, Accra Academy for the bonus.
3√3 Newton.
Simple. Odorgonno Senior High School. F1 equals, in brackets, the expression negative I plus j minus k, all in newtons. F2 equals, in brackets, 2i plus j minus k, all in newtons. Yes.
We have 3 newtons.
Yes. Accra Academy. What is the product formed at the anode during the electrolysis of copper 2 sulfate solution using platinum electrodes?
Oxygen gas.
Exactly. St. Thomas Aquinas. What substance is produced at the cathode during the electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride solution using graphite electrodes?
Sodium metal.
That's incorrect. Yes, Accra Academy. Go ahead.
Hydrogen gas.
Simple. Odorgonno Senior High. What is the product formed at the anode during the electrolysis of molten lead 2 bromide?
Have it to be bromine gas.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. It's simply bromine. Preamble. Give the appropriate systematic name. Give the appropriate systematic name. Accra Academy. 1,1,2,2 tetramethyl ethane. Yes, see your hand up.
Hexane.
That's incorrect. Okay, St. Thomas Aquinas.
2, 3 dimethyl butane.
Yes. St. Thomas Aquinas. Yours is 1,2 dimethyl butane. Yes.
3 methyl pentane.
Yes. Odorgonno. 2 ethyl 3 methyl butane. Yes.
We have it to be 2,3 dimethyl pentane.
Yes. Preamble to all schools. Find the coordinates of the final image points after the points. Find the coordinates of the final image points after the points. Accra Academy. A. -2, 3 is reflected in the origin and the image reflected in the point P, 2, -1. Yes.
2, 1.
Simple. St. Thomas Aquinas. B, 4, 5 is reflected in the x-axis and the image reflected in the points P, 3, 2. Yes.
2, 9.
Exactly. Odorgonno. C, 3, -5 is reflected in the line y equals x and the image reflected in the points P, 4, 3.
We have it to be 13, 3.
Exactly. Preamble. two chords A, B, and CD of a circle intersect at a point E inside the circle. Find Accra Academy. The length of BE given AE equals 10 centimeters, CE equals 15 centimeters, and DE equals 8 centimeters. Yes,
12 centimeters.
12 centimeters. St. Thomas Aquinas. The length of DE given AE to be 9 centimeters, BE is equal to 12 centimeters, CE equals 18 centimeters. Yes,
24 centimeters.
that's incorrect. Yes, Accra Academy. Go ahead.
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters. Odorgonno. The length of AE given CE equals 8 centimeters, DE equals 12 centimeters, and BE is 6 centimeters.
Have it to be 9 centimeters.
That's incorrect. Okay, go ahead, Accra Academy.
16 centimeters.
16 centimeters. This brings us to the end of round 1.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
So at the end of round 1, St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School 10 points, Odorgonno Senior High School 14 points, Accra Academy 22 points. Round 2 is a round of speed. I will present a question to all of you at the same time. If you press first and answer correctly, you have 3 points. Second, 2 points. The third, you have 1 point. You have only 1 attempt. If you draw my attention and refuse to answer and it's passed on, you have a penalty of 1. If you don't answer correctly too, you carry a penalty of 1. Is that clear? Best wishes. Speed 1. What makes domesticated plants and animals different from their wild relatives? So they have been shaped by artificial selection. The next one, name one effect of cultivating high-yielding plant varieties on traditional varieties. Loss of traditional varieties, loss of genetic heritage of the lost varieties. Which geographical region is the kola tree native to? Okay, Accra Academy.
Australia.
That's incorrect. West Africa. Find the frequency of photons of vacuum wavelength 400 nanometers. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas. Go ahead.
7.5 by 10 exponent 16 hertz.
Who rang next? Accra Academy.
7.5 times 10 exponent 14 hertz.
Yes. The next one. Please draw all the microphones to your mouth and keep it on. I won't wait for those rotations. A very large water tank has very small hole at a depth of 1.8 meters. Okay, go ahead.
6.0 meter per second.
No. Small hole at a depth of 1.6 meters below the water surface. Find the speed of water. Yes. Odorgonno?
6 meters per second.
6 meters per second. Express in scientific notation and SI base units the solar constant whose average value is 1,360. Okay, Accra Academy. So let me complete it and answer myself. Whose average value is 1,361 watts per meter squared. So the answer is 1.361. It's spelled out, so the answer is mine. Okay. So I can announce my answer. Okay. It's available for some few seconds for you. Go ahead. Go ahead.
1.361 by 10 exponent 3 kilogram meter per second cube.
Okay, I'll give that to you. The next one. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide formed when 3.5 grams of ethene, C2H4, undergoes complete combustion in air. Yes, Accra Academy. Yes,
11 grams.
that's incorrect. So it's 1.1 grams. The next one. What is the sum of coefficients of reactants and products when iron reacts with sulfuric acid to produce iron 3 sulfate and hydrogen gas? Go ahead, Accra Academy.
9.
9. How many atoms are present in the empirical formula of the fifth member of the homologous series of alkynes? Accra Academy, Odorgonno Senior High.
We have it to be 13.
That's incorrect. Did you ring? You didn't ring.
$16.
Ring the bell and let me see. Okay, deliver.
16.
That's incorrect. 8 atoms. Once again, contestants, drop the microphone. Keep it on. Finish calculating and press to deliver your answer. After 2 seconds, when the next school rings for it, I'll pass it on. Thank you. Triangle ABC has sides of length A equals 12 centimeters, B equals 8 centimeters, and C equals 10 centimeters. Find cos B. Yes, Accra Academy.
3/4.
Excellent. The next one. Given y equals the expression in brackets x squared minus 4 all over another expression in brackets x squared plus 4. Find dy, okay. Accra Academy.
dx is equal to 16x all over the square of the expression x squared plus 4.
Simple. The next one. Solve for x given log of the expression 2x minus 2 base 3 is equal to log of the expression x minus 4 base 3. Okay. St. Thomas Aquinas.
X is equal to -2.
That's incorrect. Plus 1. Yes. Go ahead.
X is 10.
X is 10. This brings us to the end of round 2.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Welcome back from the short commercial break. Before I announce the scores for round 2, let's address some issues. The first one from Accra Academy, concerning how many grams of carbon dioxide would be produced from complete combustion of C2H4, they are right. So I give them their 3 points. The next one from Accra Academy, the value they delivered, that was 6.0 from consultants. I must accept 6 meters per second. So I cannot accept that. The next one from St. Thomas Aquinas, against the answer 7.5 times 10 to the power 14 hertz, delivered by Accra Academy. It's perfectly right. So I want to accept this too. Then from St. Thomas Aquinas again, 5th number of the alkyne. The first one is an ethyne and is an alkyne. So on that note, we are also right. So not accepted. Therefore, at the end of round 2, St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School had 9 points. Odorgonno Senior High School, 15 points. Accra Academy, 34 points. We move on quickly to round 3. This is a round where I'll present to each school a statement. You tell me whether the statement is true or false. Correct answer merits 2 points. Wrong answer penalty of 1. A school can decide not to answer. It's passed on to any other school that ranks for it. Which is worth 2 points when answered correctly, and then penalty of 1 when answered wrongly. But sorry, before we move on, let's effect the substitution. Odorgonno Senior High School, Brown David Henry is coming in for Abbey Samuel. Sorry, Odorgonno. You are welcome. Henry, I nearly left you out. Forgive. So, can I proceed? So all the rules as stated applies. Accra Academy. PVC is a plastic material. Yes?
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Thomas Aquinas. Polyethylene is a plastic material.
True.
Yes, it's true. Odorgonno Senior High. Nylon is a plastic material.
It's false.
No, it's a true statement. Accra Academy. Hybrid animals are sterile. Yes?
True.
No, it's a false statement. St. Thomas Aquinas, hybrid animals are fertile. Yes.
True.
No, it's a false statement. Odorgonno Senior High. The zebroid is sterile.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Preamble to all schools. A stationary object is struck head-on by an incoming object, and the two objects fuse, taking off together. A stationary object is struck head-on by an incoming object, and the two objects fuse, taking off together. Accra Academy. The kinetic energy of the fused object equals the kinetic energy of the incoming object. Yes?
False.
Yes, it's false. St. Thomas Aquinas. The linear momentum of the fused object equals the linear momentum of the incoming object.
True.
Yes, it's true. Odorgonno Senior High. The speed of the fused object is less than the speed of the incoming object.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Preamble to all schools. A cylinder and a sphere in the same mass and the same radius are released from rest together at the same height on an inclined plane, on which they roll without slipping. Accra Academy. At any instance, the two objects roll with the same angular speed. Yes?
False.
Yes, a false statement. St. Thomas Aquinas. At any instance, the centers of mass of the two objects move with the same velocity.
False.
Yes, a false statement. Odorgonno. The two objects have the same total kinetic energy at the bottom of the plane, even though they reach the bottom at different times.
It's false.
No, it's a true statement. Accra Academy. The equilibrium constant K is the ratio of the concentrations of the product to the concentrations of the reactants at equilibrium.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Thomas Aquinas. An equilibrium constant greater than 1 suggests the reaction strongly favors the product.
True.
Yes, it's true. Odorgonno. According to Le Chatelier's principle, a system at equilibrium always adjusts to counteract any stress applied to it.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Preamble. In a given redox reaction, Accra Academy, a reducing agent is always oxidized. Yes?
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Thomas Aquinas, an oxidizing agent accepts electrons. Yes?
False.
It's a true statement. Can I have some silence here so that the contestants can... Thank you very much. Odorgonno Senior High. A reducing agent can be reduced in solution to a precipitate or a gas?
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Accra Academy. An arc of a circle is a part of the circle. Yes?
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Thomas Aquinas, a sector of the circle is part of the circle.
True.
No, it's a false statement. Odorgonno. A segment of the circle is a part of the circle.
It's true.
No, it's a false statement. The last set for this round. Accra Academy. If the expression in brackets x plus 1 multiplying another expression x minus 3 less than 0, then negative 3 less than x less than 1. Yes?
False.
Yes, it's false. St. Thomas Aquinas. If in brackets the expression x plus 2 multiplying the expression in brackets 3 minus x less than 0, then x is greater than 3 or x is less than negative 2.
True.
Yes, it's true. Odorgonno Senior High. If in brackets the expression x minus 3 multiplying another expression in brackets 5 minus x is greater than 0, then 1 less than x less than 5.
It's a false statement.
No, it's a true statement, bringing us to the end of the third round.
Hello. Can we have some silence in the hall, please?
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95.
Round 3. St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School, 16 points. Odorgonno Senior High School, 19 points. Accra Academy, 47 points. The last round is a round of riddles. I'll present to you 4 riddles. You answer correctly at the first clue, you have 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third clue thereafter, you have 3 points. So you draw my attention with your bell when your answer is ready. Riddle 1. I am a tissue in humans. I am found in a pear-shaped organ. I am a lining, a mucous membrane to be precise. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Pericardium.
That's incorrect. I take in, go ahead, Odorgonno, sorry.
Pericardial tissue.
Let me proceed. I taken in anticipation of a pregnancy. In the absence of implantation, I am shed in time. Who am I? Yes, Accra Academy.
Uterus.
No, I am endometrium. Thank you. The next riddle. I am an SI unit. I am the unit for the quantity closely associated with energy. I only have one capitalized letter in my symbol. I am a base, okay, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Kelvin.
Kelvin is right for 3 points. Next one, I am an alloy. I am durable and resistant to corrosion. I have a bright gold-like appearance. I am commonly used in making musical, okay, St. Thomas Aquinas again.
Brass.
Brass, 3 points. The last riddle. I am a rigid body motion. I preserve distance as well as angles. Okay, Odorgonno?
Reflection.
No. I am in general not a linear transformation. Okay, Accra Academy?
Translation.
Let me proceed. I am characterized by a fixed point. I may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. I have something to do with a bearing. Who am I? Yes, St. Thomas?
Rotation.
Rotation. Simple. The end of round 4.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Of the second contest of the Greater Regional Championship, Odorgonno Senior High School had 19 points. St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School, 25 points. Accra Academy, 47 points. Thank you for joining us for the Greater Regional Championship from the Greater Accra region. Do join us when we bring you the contest which will feature Presec Legon, Achimota School, and West Africa Senior High School. The Goil Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goil with support from Joy News. This is the primetime production. Thank you.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.